Okay, the sun is so important to our life here on Earth. The sun not only gives us light, but also provides us with heat. Without the sun, plants and flowers could not grow. Our seasons would not change, and we would not even have a solar system. The planets in our solar system all revolve, that means go around the sun. The sun is a star and a big ball of gas. You may also think that sun moves around the sky throughout the day, but does it move in the sky? No, it does not. The Earth is the one moving. The Earth is rotating. As the Earth rotates, only half of the Earth is in the sun's light, which causes day and night. So let's watch a small video, 3 minutes. Maybe.
Pop quiz. What's the closest star to Earth? It's called Sol. Never heard of it, you say? Sure you have. Sol is the sun. Ancient Romans, who once worshipped the sun, called it Sol, and it's become the kind of official sign.
Oh my goodness.
Energy. Without the sun, Earth would be a dark, frozen world with no life. But how does the sun's energy get to us? Well, first, let's talk about what the sun is. It's a 5 billion-year-old big ball of super hot gas. The hottest part of the sun is its core, or center, which is about 15 million degrees Celsius. Whoa. Its surface is not quite as hot, but it's still almost 5,600 degrees Celsius, which is pretty toasty if you ask me. And as for its size, the sun is so huge, you could line up over 100 Earths along the face of it, and more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. But the sun's size isn't what makes it seem so big and bright to us on Earth. It's because it's so close to us that it seems way, 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 way bigger and brighter than other stars. So, you know that the sun is hot and bright, and that heat and light are both kinds of energy that we get from the sun. Let's take a look at a model to see how the sun's energy gets from good old Sol to our planet. Here's the sun. Energy is created in its super hot 15 million degree core. That energy then travels outward from the core to the surface of the sun. But this journey from the center of the sun to its surface can take over 100,000 years to complete. But once the energy deep inside the sun finally gets to the surface, it travels as light and heat all the way to Earth. In fact, it only takes about 8 minutes for light to travel approximately 150 million kilometers through space to Earth over here. That's not such a long time. So to sum up, energy is created in the sun's core. It travels very slowly to the sun's surface before it takes a super speedy trip to Earth in the form of light and heat. And you and I can see and feel that energy as sunlight. Without the heat and light we get from the sun, Earth would be just a frozen ball floating around in space, which would be a total bummer. So, thanks, Sol. You're a real star.
Not live without the sun. Very important. So let's get out our facts about, and we're going to do the sun today. Now the biggest thing is that the sun is a star. The sun is a star. And it's the middle of our solar system. The sun is a star, and it's the middle of our solar system. Xavier or Isaiah?
I think 5 billion.
Yeah, 5 billion years old. That's old, isn't it? It's been there for a long time. 5 billion years old.
The next year will be 6 billion years old next year.
Now, what are the two things the sun gives us? Cooper.
Heat and light.
Heat and light gives us heat and light. We wouldn't be able to see without the sun, and we wouldn't be warm without the sun. Our earth would be a big ball of ice. Do you think we could live without the sun?
No.
No, we could not. There would be no plants, nothing could grow, and nothing could live on the earth without the sun.
Because we have to have air.
We have to have heat and we have to have light.
Below there's like a heater. Yeah, but we would have.
That would not heat the earth. The earth would be ice. You would not be able to.
Come on.
That's right. We would
And
not
we
have
have
electricity.
heaters.
So it gives us heat and light.
If the sun just went away, then the sun came out.
Mhm.
It'll be frozen.
We would probably live for a little bit. Okay, shh. Okay, what is the sun made of? What is it made of, Xavier? Made of gas, yeah, made of gas and energy. Gas actually creates the energy, but I'll take that. Made of gas and energy. And the earth goes, well, around it. Earth goes around the sun. And that's it. That's all we'll write. The sun is a star. It's the middle of our solar system. It's 5 billion years old. It gives us heat and light. It's made of gas and energy. And Earth goes around the sun. So today we were going to make sundials. And we were going to go outside in the morning, in the afternoon, and right before the end of school. And we were going to see where the shadow falls on our sundial, to see how the earth and our shadows move, or the sun and our shadows change throughout the day. But there was no sun earlier, and there's only partly sun right now. So we will not do that today. If it's sunny all day tomorrow, we'll try to do it tomorrow. And if it's sunny on Friday, which I don't think it'll be because it's supposed to rain, we can do it on Friday. But if we can't do it, then we'll do it when we get back from spring break. So Grant, you have a piece of paper that has sun investigation on it. Just leave that in your folder, and if we get to it tomorrow or Friday, I will record and we will send you the video for that. And if not, we'll do it when we get back from spring break.